Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is in Warfare. So today's episode we got this cool mission right here, and basically what this is a portable Bluetooth speaker. You can see the one that we got right here is an Anker brand that's also under Soundcore. And for the one that we got right here, it's called a Motion Plus Bluetooth speaker. And this is what the product looks like. If you see the bottom right here, they probably got some of the specs and features that's on here. So they mentioned how the product has a 30 watts room filling sound, 12-hour playtime, fully waterproof, and actually has a high-res audio. When you guys turn around to the back part here, they probably got some more specs and features that's on here. And you see the one that we got right here, it is a blue color, but they do have this available in other colors as well. So definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. But first, let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. Let's take everything out. So first thing inside right here, they provide guys a quick starter guide and a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then right underneath that, if you see, they provide guys some cables. So they provide guys an aux cable right here, and they provide guys a USB to USB-C cable. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. And the last thing right here is actual speaker. So let's take it out. Alright, so once we take it out, this is what the product looks like. So you see from this angle right here, you can definitely see all the drivers, the tweeters, and etc. inside. And right here we do have the Soundcore logo, and right here as well. So this is what the product looks like from the front. When you guys turn on this side right here, you can definitely see there's a bunch of buttons. So there's a Bluetooth button, there's a plus and minus button to increase or lower the volume. There's a play and pause button right here, and a bass up button on this side. And when you guys turn on this side right here, there's a power button. So I'm gonna press on that button to activate the product. And then right here we do have the slot where you have to open up. So when you guys open up, this actually looks like inside. So the slot where you have to plug in the cable to recharge it, which is USB-C. And right underneath that, they have an aux output. So you can definitely use the aux option if you guys want to. And when you guys are not using it, you guys want to seal it back up. So that way the product can be waterproof. When you guys turn around to the back side right here, you guys can see they actually have the base technology on here. And we see on the bottom right here, they do have like the non-slip material. So once you guys put it down on the table, it won't move around. So that is everything that's on the part right here. Let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so I'm plugging in right here. So once you guys have it plugged in, you can see there's a red indicator right here to show you guys that it's charging. So I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that light should turn off or change a different color. So that is how you guys charge the speaker. Let's turn it on. So I'm gonna press and hold the power button on the side. So now we have the speaker on. Let me just connect it onto my device. So the way how to connect it on Bluetooth is by pressing on this button right here first. Alright. So now you guys can connect it on Bluetooth. Alright. So we got connected. So let's connect it onto the app as well. Alright. So we got all connected. So once you guys connect on the app, this is what the product looks like. So you can see the battery percentage on here. And then right here we do have the customizable EQ option. If you guys press it, you can definitely adjust it how you guys want to. And you definitely have the option to play and pause the music here and change all the other settings on here as well. And you can turn on or turn off the speaker from here as well. So that is how you guys use the app. Now let's play a song on the speaker and test it out. So if you want to play and pause the music, you guys want to press on this button right here. If you guys want to increase or lower the volume, press on these two buttons right here. If you guys want to use the bass up technology, you guys want to press on this button right here. So here, when I actually use the bass up technology on here, it definitely makes a huge difference. You guys can hear a lot more of the bass when you guys actually use it. So if you can hear the audio and the bass on here sounds really good and really powerful. And if you guys want to skip the song or go back to the previous song, you basically want to double tap this button in the middle 2 times or 3 times. So just like this. And if you guys want to activate the voice assistant, you basically want to press and hold the button on top. And that activates it right there. And it's definitely really cool how the product still works even when you guys have the cable plugged in. So you can see everything on here definitely does work. Now let's do a quick waterproof test to see whether or not it's actually waterproof or not. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so right here we do have the product. So what I'm going to do now is just test out the waterproof on here to see whether or not it's actually waterproof. So let's turn on the product right here first. Alright, so we got connected. So before you actually test it out, you have to make sure this part right here is fully sealed up. Once it's fully sealed up, then we definitely start testing it out. So I'm just play a song on here first. Alright, let's put some water on here. So you see, even though we got water on here, it's completely fine and all the water will fall off really easily. And for any of the extra water on here, you guys can use a towel to wipe it off. You can definitely shake out any of the water if there is any. And we play again. You guys can hear the product definitely does work. So it is waterproof or water resistant. So even if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. Alright, welcome back guys. So that's a quick test. The product definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So definitely if you guys get water on here, it's completely fine. As long as you guys have the side completely sealed up for the cable option, then it should be fine. But we see everything on this product definitely does work, ranging from the audio, the bass, the waterproof layer, the base of technology, and so much more. But now to unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality portable speaker that's around this side right here. With all the different specs and features that's included in here, then we definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.